BTFX Direction indicator will determine tops and bottoms during market movements. It will show either red arrows for when we should be taking short positions and blue arrows to show when we should be taking long positions. As we've entered, it has determined the first top, come back up, create the second top, which is when we should enter. As the most safe we were taking this trade, this market was going down. When we see the other colour dot appear as the new bottom, that is signalled as our exit point. As we see the market goes through, new tops and bottoms are being created to show new entry positions. Here was a trade that was actually taken. The arrow was signalled, waited a couple more candles, took the trade, and then closed up here.